Cynddelw Brydydd Mawr, a 12th century poet, describes the scene after a battle with this line: Wedi cad, Coludd ar Ddrain. After battle I saw entrails on thorns. Hundreds of years later, we seem to be none the wiser. Wedi cad, Coludd ar Ddrain. The wind that shakes the memory tree wakes me. It tears the flesh from the carcass of the mare that rides my night, and howling hurls it, skin and meat, to dress the wounded branches, furious fright, beside the entrails of my brother, my father, my sister, my mother. For there is no foreigner, no alien, no other. This is the mercy of memory. And then, before me, bold, bright, dawn's first blade slits the day open, and unforgotten, the tree, now sliced with light's clean knife, shows me how it grieves for the leaves of life.